Hey friend, welcome or welcome back. So today I have my friend here and I also have a new product I'm going to be working with to remove her nails from Modelones. They sent me this in PR, so super excited to try it out. This is my friend's nails that she had on for a month and a day, and she did pop 2 off due to lifting, I believe. But this is the new 3-in-1 remover for nails, and it's also a nail cleaner, a nail remover, and a nail prep all in one. And apparently it takes off dipping powders, acrylic, hard gel polish, gel polish. So we're gonna put it to the test today with these soft gel nails. By the way, I know my view is totally different than my normal view that I usually record at, and I apologize about that, because basically if I want to record how I usually record, the person that's sitting there can't be sitting there, so I have to do it a different way. So if I'm actually recording on a real person, then it needs to be off to the side. If I'm doing my own thing, whatever, my practice hands, whatever, myself, I can do it from my normal view that I usually do, just until I figure out how to make enough space to set up something where I can do the view that I like. But I hope this doesn't bother you too much. If it does, if it doesn't, either way, let me know in the comment section so I do know. As always, I'll leave all the products down below that I use, including my drill bit, the remover, of course. It's also, the remover is available on Amazon in Canada and on the website in Canada now. This product is actually really cool. You do want to shake it up just because it's mixed with essential oils and acetone and stuff. So you want it to make sure it's blended really, really well and activated, I guess you could say. To remove the nails, I'm just following the instructions on the back of the bottle, and I'm using cotton balls and tin foil. I honestly do have nail clips. I just literally didn't think about it because I was just following the instructions on the back of the bottle. This has a very fresh, almost lemon scent to it. I can still smell acetone, but very faintly. But I really like it. Even my friend was like, "Oh, that smells good." So that's always a bonus, right? So I love it when other people notice things like that. It just concretes my own feelings, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's really cool. And yeah, we're just going to wrap up her nails, and then we're going to take them off one by one and take off the product. So when I did this, I actually had to step out and I cut the camera and I left. And when I came back, honest to God, I did not cut it back on until I was taking off the product off the second hand. So embarrassing, but it happens, and it happened to me this time, and I'm so irritated about it, but we got to move on from it. But yeah, basically I took off her wraps, and honestly, on the first hand with the 2 missing nails, the product was pretty much literally almost gone off her nail. I just had to do a little bit of scraping, it was barely anything there. So that was interesting, but my bad on that. But honestly, on the second hand, it wasn't too bad either. Any product that I felt like I couldn't get off, I would just put the wrap back on. I think there was one finger that happened to. But basically all I'm doing is pushing off the product that's on her nails gently, and then I'm going in with a buffer after and taking off any remainder product. You can see, there was literally nothing on her nail. I had to do barely any work on that hand. The second hand gave me a little bit more grief, but I think it was because I didn't apply enough remover. I was being cheap with the second hand, but the first hand I put it on heavy, and I distinctly remember doing that, and I don't know why I did that. It's really interesting, but nonetheless, the product worked amazing. I totally recommend it, and I really like it, and I love the smell of it, and I love how fast it worked. It works really, really fast. So yeah, after you remove the wraps, take your cuticle pusher, push it off. If you're finding that the product isn't melting enough or coming off fast enough, just put another cotton ball with tinfoil back on it and let it do its thing for a little longer. But this is the final look of her nails after taking off her extensions. I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.